Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Clear Programming 72. In this video, we are going to discuss about the simple tips to learn programming easily, especially for beginners. If you are a beginner and if you are new to programming, you might have a lot of confusion in your mind. The confusion might be about the programming language, like which programming language to choose first, or might be if you have already chosen the programming language to learn, you might have a doubt that how do I get started and from where I should learn. And if you have already started learning, if you have already given some time, if you are still not able to learn what is happening, and you might have a lot of confusion, but don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you the simple tips to learn programming or coding easily. And at first, take it easy. Programming is not so difficult. The expert programmers were also once confused beginners. Have patience. At first, choose the easiest programming language to learn first. Why I'm suggesting you this is, if you learn easiest programming language, you'll be able to catch the points as earliest as possible, and you can learn all the basics and the basic concept or principle of programming, because foundation and basic matters a lot to be a good programmer. Don't get confused, don't get any complexity in your mind. Take it easy. Programming is not so difficult, and choose easiest programming language to learn first. And once you have chosen your programming language to learn first, remember you should go with step by step. You should have patience to learn, because at the beginning, at the foundation level, patience matters a lot, and you should give a lot of time, because foundation is very important. So don't get complex, don't try to learn everything at a time. Learn step by step. Don't go ahead, don't move until and unless you're clear with the concept which you have already learned. If you have learned first step, make sure you are thorough with that, you are okay with that, and don't try to learn everything at a time. Learn step by step. Then I suggest you to make your learning play. How can you do this? At learning stage, make sure you use your own examples to learn something. If you are learning programming, make learning play. You should enjoy what you're learning. To enjoy what you're learning, give appropriate examples of your daily life or whatever happening around you. Give real-time examples and make sure you're enjoying, and you should be enjoying while learning it. And then I suggest you to practice as much as you can. Don't move forward, don't go ahead until and unless you're clear with the topic. Suppose if you're learning about variables, try with plenty of examples, try different examples, different scenarios, and be thorough with that. And unless and until you are sure about that particular topic, don't go ahead. Practice as much as you can, and don't think so much, like don't overthink also. If you're learning just variables or any first or second step, don't try to think like with this how can I make an app, how can I develop a website, and don't overthink about all this. Just learn what you're learning now, and make sure you're 100% sure about that, and because foundation and basics matters all. While learning, still you might have confusions about few topics, or if you're okay with some topic, if you understood, still you might have some doubts. Then I suggest you to treat Google as your best friend. Yes, Google should be your best friend, and whatever doubt you might have, let it be a silly doubt, make sure you're Google it and you're clear about it. Okay, so first step is take it easy, don't overthink, and take it very easy. Learn step by step, make learning play, practice as much as you can. Treat Google as your best friend, and make your foundation good and foundation strong, because foundation is what all matters. If you're clear with foundation, if you're clear with basic principles of programming, then you can adapt any programming language and you can be a good programmer, because your all basics will be very clear and your foundation will be very strong. As I have said, to be a good programmer, your basics should be very clear and your foundation should be very strong. Thank you for watching this video.